43, and in your diary, not your homework for today, page 748, numbers 2, 3, and 6. Okay? Okay, ready? Lesson objects for today. Students will use a line plot to explore data, display measurement data in a line plot, problem solving. Okay. Our vocab for today's lesson is line plot. What does it mean? The line plot. Line plot is the line plots number line will look like a ruler. Okay. Data is about information what we have. Tally mark like this. We can use a number like this. We can count these tallies to represent the number. This, for example, this 1, 2, 3. The number is 3. Represent this one by a number. Okay. Okay. Our lesson about how to measure data in a line plot. Okay. This lesson will be too easy, inshallah, and you will enjoy with this lesson. Okay. Before make a warm up for here, please. For about if you have any data like this, for example, I write here, for example, math, science, English, Arabic. The favorite subject for each one. I have, for example, 3 here. Okay. Okay. For example, here, how many students like math? Our favorite subject for him is math. There is 3. Here, how many who can answer this? What this means? Yes, it is 5. And this is 3. And this is 2. I have this data. I can translate it to a line plot like this. I write math, science, English, and Arabic. Math, how many there are 3. Line plus me put x 3 times according to the number of tallies opposite to the subject. Okay. Science, how many should write x? Who can answer? Yeah. 5x. We'll take it like this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. English, there is how many there? Okay, there are 3. You can come to both it. Yeah, you can come please. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Great. The last one, Arabic. I wrote it 2, but if it is nothing here, means what? 0. What I should write here? I will not do anything. Leave it. Okay, empty. Okay, that we studied before in the last year in grade 3. Today we'll learn how to display measurement data in a line plot. Okay, here. As we see here, I will let you with this video, short video for today here.
Hi, this is Mr. Rutherford. In this problem, we'll learn to display measurement data in a line plot. The science room has a collection of plant seeds. Each seed's length is measured to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. Make a line plot to represent the data. So notice here we have first part of a ruler, which gives us an idea of how large 1/8 of an inch is. Then you'll notice that in this particular science room, we have 3 seeds that were recorded to be 1/8 of an inch, 4 seeds were recorded to be 2/8 of an inch, 5 or 3/8 of an inch.
Who can tell me what the next here? How many seeds for 4 out of 8 inches would be what? Who can tell me what the number should be here? This was 3, 4, 5. This what? This means 5. And then add after 5 is what? 6. This means 6. Good.
6 were 4/8 of an inch. Then there were 3 that were 5/8 of an inch. 2 that were 6/8 of an inch. 0, 7/8 of an inch. And then there was 1 that was 8/8 inch, or 1 inch.
Then we will display this data in the line plot. This is a line plot. Looks like a ruler. Okay, there is data here, 1 out of 8, 2 out of 8, until 8 out of 8 means 1. Okay, then we make x according to the number of each one. Okay, continue.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this data that's represented here into a line plot. So let's start with the 1/8 of an inch. We're going to use x's to represent each seed that is that length. So we'll have 3. Then we'll go to the 2/8 of an inch, and there are 4. So we'll record 4 x's there. Then with the 3/8 of an inch, we have 5. So we'll record 5 x's. And notice how the more seeds that we have at each length, the height of each line increases. Now we have 6.
Who can represent 6 inch here? For 4 out of each, 6 seeds. Who can come to plot this in line plots? Okay, we make a 6 here, same that one.
4/8 of an inch.
2, 3,
You can really see how
4, 5,
the
6.
line plot is a visual representation of this table. Then finally we have here 5/8 of an inch. We have 3 that were recorded. And 6/8 of an inch were 2 recorded seeds, and there were 0 and 7/8 of an inch, so we'll leave that blank. And finally, at 8/8 for 1 inch, we have 1.
Okay, I have a question for continue this video. Sometimes give us some questions about the line plot. After you display it, there is some question maybe coming in the exam. Which of these is the greatest? Which length is the greatest for this? 1 out of 8, 2 out of 8, 3 out of 8, 4 out of 8, 5 out of 8, 6 out of 8, 7 out of 8, 8 out of 8 means 1. Which one is the greatest? Which one is the greatest number of seeds? I heard someone say 8. No, 8 is the length. The greatest one is which one has more x. Okay, which one has the greatest number of x? There is someone? Yes, good. There is 4 out of 8 is the greatest length. This one, the greatest number of seeds for this length is 4 out of 8. Be careful about some questions. Another question, which are equal? Like what? Which are equal in length? There is 1 out of 8 and 5 out of 8. Yes, both of them has how many? And someone else? How many each one? There are 3 for each one. Alright, there is here 3 and here also 3, meaning they are the same. Sorry. Okay, now back to the video. This one.
So notice, for instance, here we have the highest line on our line plot, which is 4/8. And notice how that compares to our table, where our information was recorded, where there is the largest amount of seeds that were recorded compared to the others. And so 6 was the greatest number. Therefore, the 4/8
As I
is
said,
the
6
highest
is the
one.
greatest one.
Notice also, if you like, we have 2 that are the same. We
The
have
same.
5/8 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch were recorded 3 times each.
See, the same
And
question
notice
I
in the
asked
table
you.
over here to the left, we have 3 in each of those 2 parts that were recorded.
Okay, now go for another example here. As we see here, the example number 1, the same that we watched it in the video. Okay, here I have data for something where is the line plot. It's clear here, this and this. Okay, now for the next page, guide tracks number 1. As we see here, I want one from the student who can answer this. Okay, this tile chart represents the width of buttons. You know the buttons, we use it for t-shirt like this button. Okay, this is a button. Okay, okay, collected by Earth's mother. Okay, represent this data. Represent this data in line plot. I have this line plot, and this is data already with a size 1/8 inches. How many? What the number is it? What the number is 6, and 3/8. What the number is 3. 4/8 is 1. 5/8 is 2, and 7/8 is what? You can count how many tallies we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Much better you write opposite to each one the number of tallies. First one is what? 6. Second one 3, 1, 2, and 4. To be much clear and easier for you. Now I can represent this in a line plot. Who can explore the first one? 1/8. How many tallies here? There's 6. Okay. Someone come to make it, please. Okay. Okay. 1/8 or 6. 1. Sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Second one is 3/8. It will be what? 3. Where I place it? Okay. This is here. Be careful. Skip already this one. There is no any information about this. Okay. Go for the 3/8. How many there are? There are 3. Means put 3x like this. Okay, 4/8, that's only 1. 5/8 is 2. What about 6/8? What about 6/8? There's nothing. Okay, skip it and go for the next one, 7/8. There's how many tallies? Already 4. Make 4x, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And which is the greatest one here? Which is the greatest one? Which is anyone can answer? Someone? Yes. The greatest one is 1/8 because it has 6. Okay, and the lowest one, the smallest one is 4/8 with only 1. Okay, okay. Now we're going for this is example. I give you a minute to think about this, how to display this data in this line plot. You have this is data 1/4, 3/4. This already random. Okay, not in the tail chart. Who can represent this using a line plot? I'm giving you just 1 minute to think about this. Okay. Okay. Now we have to start. Here I have this data 1/4. Cancel from this table and put x in. That's easy. And then 3/4. Cancel it from the table and put it in the line plot. 3/4. Okay. This x was x. 1/2 means here. We give you 2/4 means 1/2.5. Okay. X. 1/4. Cancel it and put it x here. 1/2 again. Okay, this is 1/2. Okay, 3/4. 3/4. Okay, we can continue. 1/4, next one. Yeah, this one will be here. Okay, again, 1. What is 1? Yeah, see, 1 means 4/4. Okay, but 4/4 or 1 the same will be here, both 1x. Okay, and then 1/2. 1 out of 2. 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. And then 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4. The last one is 1 out of 2, means 1/2. Okay, it's already done. Okay, I have a question. Which is the least one? Okay, the least one is 1 or 4 out of 4, and which are the same in the same number, which is 1 out of 4 and 1/2 or 2 out of 4. The question here, as you see, which time interval was least frequented, okay, as study time for Sunday? Explain. Okay, which one is the least one? Is 1, because it has the least. Okay, the number is what? Has only 1x. Has only 1x. Okay. Okay. And now it's clear, guys. Okay, everything is clear. Okay, I will erase this one. Okay, you can see here the worksheet, this one. Okay, have another minute to think about this one. Fast, please. Use a line plot to display this data. Anyone can answer number 1? Yes, for A or for B, students. Okay, for A, I think someone raised his hand. Maybe Walid, maybe Shah. Who else? Say, okay, someone tell me. 1 out of 4 will be what? How many tallies here? There are 3. Second one is 2. 3, there is nothing, 0. 3 means put 3x. And 1 out of 2.5, there is only 2. And 3 out of 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. And 1 inch, nothing, don't put anything. Okay? Second one, I have this data, and this is a line plot. Okay? Display this in the line plot. Okay? Here, 1 out of 3 is only 1 tally, and second one, 2 out of 3. How many tallies here? Yes, 3. Replace here, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the last one, what the number here? You can tell me? Yeah, yes, it is 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This means 5. We'll make a 5x here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, everything is clear? Okay. I hope you understand the lesson. It's very easy. Your homework for today, this is page 748, number 2, 3, and 6. And this worksheet is available in the school website. You can find it. And this video will be in the school website in my school. Okay? Have a good day and see you again. Bye bye. Bye.